Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about something very important for our professional life. How to get a job in big tech companies through college placements. In this video, I'll share two powerful strategies that can really help you. Yes, you need to do both hard work and smart work. But many people don't know how to work smart, and that's exactly what I'll tell you today. The two strategies are 1. Searching technique. 2. Learning technique. Let's start. Searching technique. How to plan smartly. Step 1. Select your dream company. Step 2. Research everything about it. Understand the job roles, the required skills, and what they expect from candidates. Step 3. Create a LinkedIn account if you don't have one yet. Go to the search bar, type your dream company and your target job role. There, you'll see detailed job descriptions, especially the skills required section. Start focusing on these skills. This is your smart roadmap. Pro tip: connect with people already working in that role. Ask them for advice, guidance, and tips. This strategy is especially helpful for third or fourth year students who may have less time but still want to target big companies effectively. 2. Learning technique. How to prepare deeply. This strategy is perfect if you have enough time to learn properly. Step 1. Pick one trending programming language. Step 2. Learn it from A to Z. Don't just learn random topics. Complete the language properly. Important advice. Some people try to learn 3 to 4 languages, but only know them halfway. If you know just one language perfectly and another one at a basic level, companies will prefer you. Quality beats quantity, always. Step 3. Go to LeetCode and start solving problems. First, focus on easy problems. Then, move to medium level. If you want to challenge yourself, solve hard problems too. Solving problems improves your logical thinking, and this is what companies really look for. So that's it, guys. These are my two best strategies to get into big tech companies through college placements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech and coding content. Also, drop your feedback or questions in the comments. I love reading them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.